Hey there, welcome to our channel. Dentitox Pro appears to be a dental health supplement with a variety of natural ingredients. While the product makes certain claims, individual experiences may vary, and it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making any decisions regarding supplementation. The money-back guarantee provides a level of assurance for those considering trying the product. So let's dive in. 1. What is Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro is a dental health supplement formulated by Marc Hall, a 54-year-old plant enthusiast. It's designed to support healthy teeth using a blend of natural ingredients, including vitamins A, C, 3,2, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, micro-encapsulated calcium, macro-encapsulated calcium, mess, and spearmint peppermint. The supplement is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility. Ingredients and formula. The formula comprises a mix of vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts sourced from local growers. The ingredients are claimed to be natural, processed in the right amount to maintain their properties, and manufactured under strict sterile standards. Key components include vitamins A, C, D3, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, micro-encapsulated calcium, xylitol, collagen, mess, and spearmint peppermint. Benefits of Dentitox Pro. According to the information provided, Dentitox Pro aims to support dental health by keeping teeth strong and maintaining fresh breath. The claimed benefits include natural ingredients that promote healthy teeth, regardless of age. The supplement is said to be non-GMO, safe, without stimulants or toxins, and not habit-forming. Potential side effects. The information provided does not mention any potential side effects explicitly. However, as with any supplement, individual reactions may vary. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Does Dentitox Pro work? The claim is that Dentitox Pro will work to support dental health. However, individual results may vary. The product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, indicating the manufacturer's confidence in its effectiveness. It's important to note that dietary supplements are not regulated as strictly as pharmaceuticals, so results may differ among users. Buy Dentitox Pro from official website. Check below in description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Share this to your friends.